Hiya, Karina here, Natural Health Missionary with BODYKURE. I'm here just to show you a testimony video of one of the ladies that came and attended a 7-day detox that I did just in September, just recently. It was a program of 4 women, and I flew over to England to do it because I wanted to, and I knew that was going to be beneficial for the ladies that were interested in attending. And also, one of them is extra special because it's my mum. Now, she didn't know what she was in for. I just kind of encouraged her to come along because I knew there was definitely going to be 3 women. And I thought it'd be nice to have a 4th one. They're all of the similar age. They can get on together. And I wanted her to be there because my mum, she knows that I'm into the health message and into all these things. And she does listen to some things, and she's changed 1 or 2 things. But she doesn't really know how we work or what my full message is really, because it's always difficult to share with close family members everything that you know, because for whatever reason it's just the way it is. And so I want you to know this video is not a biased video. If anything, I want you to see it as an encouragement that that those people who want to share the health things or whatever that you really strongly believe in with your family members, the Lord does open up an opportunity for you to do so at some point in your life. I don't know what it's going to be for you, but this was it for me, and I'm just so glad that my mum was able to come. Like I said, she didn't know what she was going in for. She knows generally it's going to be about health, but she was kind of, she didn't, the other people inquired about the detox program and wanted to be there, where she just was kind of brought along because I encouraged her to do so. And it was a bit of a it was her birthday, not a bit of a treat or so, not really a treat, but just like something that I wanted her to come to because it had recently been her birthday, and I just wanted her to come along. I just wanted her to be there, spend some time with her, because I'd been in Jamaica for a long time, and I wanted her to be there so I could spend time with her, but also share with her things that I believe are so vitally important for her health and for her spiritual growth. So yes, this is the clip of her, and I hope you're blessed by it. She does have a few health challenges that have been recently highlighted, and I know that by doing this program that she's learnt, she will overcome them. So yeah, thank you, and I hope that you find this a blessing as much as I did, and as much as she did, and the other people. Now the other 4 ladies, they're a little camera shy, so they didn't want to be on film, but they did give me a form, an evaluation form, and they also were impressed and were glad for the results that they also received on the program. So I'm just letting you know, it's not a biased video, it's just an encouragement to say yes, you can share good things with your family members, and they can accept it and see it for themselves why they should do such things. And so here you go.
Hello, my name's Carol, and I have just been on the 7-day detox program with BODYKURE. My stay was absolutely fantastic. It was just more than I expected. It was very comfortable, felt very relaxed. Accommodation was just wonderful. Probably my breathing was a bit sluggish. That's the word. My breathing was a bit sluggish, and my breathing has improved greatly to the point where I was able to jog back from the gate back to the house, and that was quite a little distance, and I did it all the way, and definitely my breathing has improved.
Okay, go.
Right, so I walked it there. When I got to the gate, I said, Lord, you gotta stay with me now, help me to get back, and I'm gonna jog it. So I said to myself, I'm gonna identify a tree and get to that tree. So my song was, stay with me, Lord. Stay with me, Lord. Oh, Lord, I pray. Stay with me, Lord. Stay with me, Lord. Oh, Lord, I pray. Give me the strength, Lord. Stay with me, Lord. And when I got to one tree, I said, oh, thank you, Lord. And now the next tree. Stay with me, Lord. And I identified each tree all the way until I come here, and I never stopped. I didn't stop. I just jogged all the way.
Lovely.
Well done.
Look at that. That was so emotional.
Is it?
Oh, Dad, I feel like crying. So emotional just hearing those words.
Yeah. Yeah.
Makes a lot.
Brilliant.
Yeah, I did it.
Yeah.
All the way. I thought it was going to get to the bump. You know the bump? Oh, yeah. And when I got to the bump, I said, all right. Oh, gosh, Lord. Oh, Lord, I pray.
But
Yeah.
that just means then that you can do more than you think you can sometimes, isn't it?
I couldn't when I was walking up. I didn't have no strength or energy. I thought, what's happened to me this morning? I just couldn't move. Anyway, yeah.
Did it.
I did it.
Brilliant.
Yeah. Especially coming back from the detox. A few people have made comments to me that I look glowing and I've looked, like radiant. And then on top of it, which was the crowning bit, I lost 5.5 pounds. So that was exceptionally brilliant. On the program, nothing on the program stuck out to me that I didn't like. I was struggling to find the negative, to be honest, and I'm not going to conjure up something when there's nothing there. So no, there was nothing that I didn't like. Now the food was delicious. At first, the first 2 days when the program began, those first 2 days, those were a little bit harder because you're not used to that. But having said that, we look forward to the meals. And then every day we looked forward to all the meals, and they were really tasty, different. We got involved in the making of the dish, of the food and the preparation of it. We all had our little tasks to do, and we all sat together, and it was just absolutely lovely. There was not one dish that on the program or one meal that nobody liked. Everything was really tasty, yes. Well, when I went on the program, I didn't know what I was going to actually expect. I didn't know what I was going into. The devotions, though, turned out to be just really, really, really encouraging. I learnt a lot from the devotions in the morning. It was just, there was a lot to listen to and to take in, and it was all just new, and a lot of new things that I didn't know about before, and a lot of things made sense, and you felt as if you've accomplished knowledge. Anything new that I'd like to share? I'd just like to share that if anyone's watching this video and you're thinking about going on a detox program, especially the ones that incorporate devotion, don't think too hard, just do it. That's what I'd like to share. I'd like to share with you the experience that I had. Overall, it was just wonderful all around. Spiritually, emotionally, physically, you know, exercises in the mornings, and the whole spiel was just brilliant, and that's what I'd like to share. I would definitely go on the health retreat again, detox program again. The taking in those fresh air and the mountain views, those early morning walks, the massages and all the other things that went in. It was actually more than I thought it was going to be. I'd certainly recommend this program to anyone who's interested in it. Yes. It surpassed all of my expectations, surpassed it by far. With determination, yes, it's once you get into it in your head, what you need to do, you just slowly incorporate it into your daily life, and so far so good. I've been sticking to it, and it's lovely. My further comments would be, anyone who is thinking of having a detox, who've got any minor health issues or any concerns, and you want an alternative to the normal doctor's medication and all that, there is a natural way in which you can heal your body and let your body get rejuvenated with nutrition, home cooked meals, and all the elements that go into making your body well. And so don't think about it too long, do it. And I'd just like to sum up one other thing, is that going on the detox plan with the other ladies and the other individuals that were there, it was a great social time, getting to know people and as well. So they made it extra nice. Lovely group of friends, lovely people, and everyone overall enjoyed themselves greatly. So we made new friends, and yes. So I had a lovely time, and I'll do it again, recommend it to anyone.
Okay.
And I'd like to say thank you to the BODYKURE organisers. They're doing a great job, and it's a wonderful, wonderful program. The cost of the program and the plan was I honestly believe that you got a lot for your money, and it was packed. Content was a lot of content, and I think the price could go up a little bit, and even then it would still be cheap. So it's a bargain price at the moment, and for what you got, yeah. Thank you.